Greetings. Let me start by saying I am Ambassador Richards. This is Ambassador Carlisle, Ambassador Thompson, and we are all very proud to be representing the planet Earth in these negotiations.
Sir, we have the translator box up and running now, I think.
Oh, great.
All over her tits.
Good one.
Well, now that the ice has been broken, let's commence with the negotiations.
Okay, good.
We want all of your women.
Oh. Well, that certainly is a starting position.
What would we get in return?
See, the thing is, we kind of need some of our women, just for the whole continuation of the species thing.
Could we maybe keep 3 women?
Or maybe 6 women?
Say our wives.
They can fucking keep Meredith.
Say our wives and Carlisle's secretary.
Present company's reproductive partners will be spared, but all other women must be delivered.
Okay, now, say we were to give you all 500 of our women. What would you do with them?
A great war has erupted on the outer reaches of the Xanax system. Your women's ovaries are needed to power our machines of death.
Okay.
In return for this offering, the Robotussian warriors will protect this sector from the Provasic invaders. They have been systematically colonizing and draining these more primitive planets of their resources. We stand as their sole opponents in their quest to conquer the universe, and have traveled here to make ourselves known to you as allies and defenders. We make this offer of protection to any and all less civilized planets and only request their allegiance and meager contribution. Well...
that sounds good to me. If this is going down, then we're gonna wanna be protected.
We will also offer you 500 Xanax women.
Oh, well, no. I don't think that would be necessary.
I'll take one. Imagine what you could do.
We will also provide you with communications technology so that you might receive messages from our most high leader, Lunesta 7. He will provide you with updates of our struggle.
Oh my God.
Do not be alarmed. We know that your species' male genitalia bears a striking resemblance to our Zarflogs.
What? No.
I thought it was a Zarflog.
I was thinking Zarflog the whole time.
Hold on, I know how to make it go down.
Guys.
Yep.
Well, will you accept our offer?
Sounds like a deal. Sounds like a deal.
Shall we shake on it?
Nope, you know what? We don't really shake hands on Earth. But good luck with the war, and take whatever women you want.
That was the most embarrassing meeting of my life. I can't believe I clumped all over myself.
I don't think they noticed.
Then my Zarflog erupted on my face.
It's okay.
I should have never come to work this sick.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, homies?
Hello, brother.
Never seen y'all before. You new to the hood?
Yeah, we're from a ghetto in a different city.
Oh, y'all from DC?
What?
Got a Skins hat on. DC.
Oh! Yeah. Oh! Yeah, we're from a ghetto in D.C. Yes. But not like the CIA or anything. Man, I am just really stressed out lately. Just really, really tense. Dude, you should try some of this crack. That's a great idea. Some crack would really hit the spot right now.
What y'all talking about?
Oh, it's just this new and expensive way to get incredibly high. You wouldn't be interested.
Yeah, no, you're right. Gotta keep my mind clear, stick to the books. Trying to go to school in the fall.
Yeah, it's just this new way to help you get into school this fall. You wouldn't be interested.
Wait. This can actually help me get into school?
Yeah, just a little bit'll really help you concentrate on your studies. Plus, you could sell it and save all that money for college. Just an ounce of it will get you up to $100.
$100? Wow, that would help me pay for all my books and stuff.
Yeah, it could help you pay for all your books and stuff.
$100 an ounce? Wait a minute. What's that gonna cost me?
Oh, for you. We have 2 vans full of it over there for free.
For free? That's great.
And remember, it's called crack.
Crack.
Yeah, C-R-A-C-K, crack. Here's a pager if you need any more.
Wow. Guys, wait. I just want to say this is a blessing. I don't know if you noticed, but things have been kind of rough around here. Holding down 3 jobs, got a baby girl coming in May. I just wasn't sure how I was going to make it, but this is really going to help me get my life back on track. So thanks, guys. Thank you.
Hey, just doing what we can. Here to help.
Thanks, guys. Have a good day.
Oh, by the way, there aren't any up-and-coming Martin Luther King Jr. types we should know about, are there?
What is it, baby? What's going on? Nothing? Nothing's going on? Thank you. See, I was asleep in the other room and would have had no idea that absolutely nothing is going on in here unless you alerted me to the fact. Hold on, I'll get your mother. Hey, honey, get in here. The baby wants us to know that nothing is going on.
Nothing going on? That is remarkable news, baby. Both of you, wait right here. Hang on. Oh, nothing. Thanks, baby. I'll cherish this forever.
Well, if it's all right with you now, baby, I'm gonna go back to sleep. You be sure to let me know the very next time that absolutely nothing happens, though, okay?
Come, Harold, let us give thanks to the Lord for blessing us with such a vigilant little infant.
Damn it!
Oh, God, Tank. What are we gonna do? Majesto's getting away.
There's nothing to do.
What? What do you mean there's nothing to do?
Well, he tied us to chairs and threw us out of a plane.
We gotta think. We gotta think of a way to get out of this.
There's no way out of this situation. He tied us to chairs, and on top of that, he threw us out of an airplane. Checkmate. Game over.
So you're just gonna give up?
Listen, lady. Even if somehow I can magically be untied from these ropes, we're still falling from an airplane.
What about that parachute that got sucked out of the plane when they opened the door?
That's way over there.
I can't believe you. Not half an hour ago, you drove a convertible off a bridge, leapt out, and managed to grab hold of the rungs of an enemy helicopter. And you said the coolest, funniest thing when you did it. What was it that you said?
You rung?
Yeah, that was incredible. Why don't you do something like that right now?
Well, I had a convertible. There was a helicopter there. This situation, there's nothing to do.
Maybe we can kick and waggle our arms to swim over to the parachute.
You said waggle.
Do-do-do, do-do-do.